Hey, party gang. And anyone else tuning in. Welcome to another very unofficial reading of the Bored Ape Yacht Club announcements. Today's announcement reads as follows. Small update. We apologize for all the delays on the surprise. We'll be releasing it this Friday at 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. We promise it's worth the wait. Also, our community grant program ends tomorrow, so make sure you get any last-minute proposals in. I'll put the link in the description below. You can also find it in the announcement itself. Thank you to our founders for keeping us up to date. Apes, make sure and get your ideas in there. Everybody, stay bored. Love y'all.